In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stock to your watch list on Robinhood using the website. Whether you're new to investing or just getting started with monitoring stocks you're interested in, creating and updating your watch list is a crucial first step. Having a well-organized watch list allows you to keep an eye on market trends, track specific stocks, and act quickly when you spot an opportunity. Let's go through the process together, step by step, so you can make the most of this helpful feature. First, open your internet browser and head over to the Robinhood website. Once you're there, log into your account with your username and password. Make sure you're on the official Robinhood site so that your information stays safe. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of your portfolio and recent market activity. Now, let's say you have a particular company in mind that you want to watch. At the very top of the screen, you'll notice a search bar. This is where you can look up any stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency available on Robinhood. Simply click on the search bar, type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in, and press enter. The search function will quickly display a list of relevant results. Once you've found the stock you're looking for, click on it to open down its detail page. This page is packed with useful information like price charts, performance data, news updates, and more. Take a moment to browse through the details. It's always good to get familiar with the stock before you add it to your watch list. To add this stock to your watch list, look for the button labeled Add to Lists. It's typically easy to spot on the details page, often near the top or side of the window. Click on Add to Lists, and just like that, the stock is now part of your designated watch list. If you want to review your entire watch list, simply navigate to the right side of your Robinhood dashboard. Here, you'll see an option called Lists. Click on it and you'll be able to see all the stocks, ETFs, or assets you've added. Your watch list acts as your personal hub, making it easy to track the market activity of everything you're interested in without having to search for these assets individually each time. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add stocks to your watch list on Robinhood's website, helping you stay organized and informed as you manage your investments. Thanks for watching and happy investing.